Smart cities are optimizing traffic and pedestrian patterns, keeping their residents safer and spurring economic.
好啊，大家好啊，午安啊，咁樣應該大家食咗飯啦，咁樣大家朋友好啊，就我哋都喺復常路上咧，都做咗幾個啲 physical 面對面嘅 event 啦，咁樣我哋其實未來幾季咧都會堅持做翻一啲類似呢啲online event 嘅，咁樣因為發覺 online event 都係輕鬆少少啦，可以真係半個鐘至一個鐘同大家分享一啲咧某啲我哋啲拳頭產品即係主要品牌嘅一啲技術少少嘅 update 嘅，咁樣事不宜遲啦，就對啲新朋友嚟講，我哋講今日嘅 run down 啦，咁樣我哋今季一連4個星期二咧準時2點半至準時2點鐘至2點半度咧，都會有呢個online 嘅 solution day 啦。咁樣頭半段咧就會 presentation， 咁樣就之後會有 live demonstration 嘅。咁樣再之後咧就會有 Q&A 啦。咁樣一如既往，我哋 Q&A 咧都鼓勵大家留心聽書，之後踴躍發問。咁樣每個發問嘅嘉賓咧，我哋都會有專人喺會後聯絡咧，送上少少心意少少紀念品嘅，咁樣今日咧我哋主題咧其實就係 BriefCam， 咁我哋邀請咗 BriefCam 咧做我哋個 speaker 加 panelist 嘅，咁樣 thank you Fastly，OK， 好啦，咁樣就 Fastly 咧佢其實就係BriefCam 嘅 pre-sales engineer， 咁樣就專睇東南亞啦，咁樣包括埋香港澳門嘅，咁樣都幫咗我哋手好多年噶啦，咁樣就交個台俾佢之前咧，就講講今次我哋一連4個 session 嘅 online solution day 啦，個主題啦。咁樣其實頭先都提過噶啦 ，solution day 輕輕少少咁樣 online session 半個鐘，每半個鐘都會講啲每個牌子一啲 update 啦，或者特色少少嘅嘢嘅。咁樣而我哋其實都喺我哋個 SQX 嘅 ecosystem 裏邊，今次揀咗4個啦。咁樣今日 BriefCam。咁樣下個星期咧會係貓松嘅，咁我哋咁多年嘅主打產品啦。咁樣第三個 section 我哋就會係講 Outdoor Core， 咁樣我哋呢幾年主打嘅個品牌啦，專係做一啲 management platform 同埋 smart access control 嘅。咁樣星期三咧我哋會係多啲講佢哋嘅 smart access control and visitor management system， 咁樣有興趣嘅朋友就下個禮拜2嚟啦。咁樣最尾壓軸咧就會係我哋嘅係啦，我哋最尾壓軸咧，一陣間我會 check 翻啦，就會係 Velocity 嘅。咁我哋嘅都係咧英國牌子，我哋都代理咗多年嘅 video wall control，同埋啲 transmission product 嚟嘅。咁樣佢都會有啲新 update on 佢哋 storage product。咁樣有興趣嘅朋友就我哋壓軸嗰場嚟睇一睇啦。咁成個 ecosystem 咁樣就會係。我哋圍繞住真係唔係雜不楞好多牌子 group 埋一齊嘅，我哋都會係幫大家 build 一個smart 嘅 ecosystem， 咁樣圍繞住 smart security 啊 smart management 啦，咁樣所以今次咧我哋拳頭產品BriefCam 咧好多時候其實就係幫一個 video management platform 咧，唔止係錄到播到，唔止 collect and store 啦，佢哋會係真係喺 AI 未係一個 buzzword 之前咧，已經係用緊 AI 用緊 machine learning 咧。去做 video structuring， 即係幫啲 video build up 個 metadata infrastructure 嘅。咁樣個 metadata infrastructure 啦，點用咧？我哋就唔班龍門虎啦，一陣間俾 BriefCam 原廠講啦。咁樣而建基於成個 smart security ecosystem 咧，咁樣除咗 collect and store video、audio 同埋 metadata， 咁我哋其實呢幾年 milestone platform 啊，或者我哋 Outdoor Core 嘅管理平台咧，都會幫大家手 collect and analyze 唔同子系統嘅嘢啦。咁樣亦都會用唔同嘅界面啊、唔同嘅模式咧，去幫大家 present and take action 嘅。OK， 咁所謂我哋嘅 smart security platform 咧，其實呢幾年都越嚟越成熟噶啦。而用另外一個角度睇成件事咧，所謂 smart security and operation management platform 咧，咁我哋會係呢幾年除咗真係貓松 video management system 啊 integrated security management 下邊嘅 CTV 啊 access control 啊 visitor management 咧，會係主打之外咧，其實上邊 drive 緊好多啲 control room solution 啊，或者係中間點樣互聯互通幾個唔同嘅範疇嘅嘢喺度咧，咁樣我哋都會係新少少啦。咁樣所以咧最尾壓軸咧，我哋都會抽翻譬如 Velocity 嘅 control room solution 會幫大家睇下嘅。OK， 咁樣事不宜遲啦，咁樣我會 pass 個 stage 咧俾我哋都等咗好耐嘅 BriefCam 啊 Fasi 啊 OK，so Fasi，I will pass the stage to you. OK, thanks.
Thank you, Alex. Hello, good afternoon, everybody. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fazli Fauzi. I'm the pre-sales for Asia Pacific region for BriefCam. So what I will do today, first I will go through the short presentation of BriefCam. Then after that, I will show the live demonstration of BriefCam. So first, let me start with the BriefCam overview. So yeah, this is the speaker's profile for Ken Chan. Suppose Ken Chan, the regional director, should present in this event, but unfortunately he was on traveling this week, and I'm replacing him for today. But a bit of about my background. Basically, I'm 20 years in security background, since the analog time until now, up to the what we call analytic video solutions. So rough or basic information about BriefCam. We are founded in the year 2008 in Hebrew University in Jerusalem, Israel. So we have a global operation in multiple locations in USA, London, Singapore, and our R&D HQ in Israel. So we are serving in all our, I can say, vertical markets. Okay, as if people know BriefCam for a long time ago, we just focus on law enforcement, but with the current solution, we can serve all kinds of vertical markets. And year 2018, we was acquired by a Canon Group. They are what we call a company, but they still live as a standalone company where we can continue to deliver and serve our customer in this industry. So we talk about video analytics, how we work, how we run our video analytics, which is what the technology. So everybody has their video footage, which is you record the video, then you can play back. Then normally for the typical video solution, you need to play back the entire video if you want to find something. But for us, we are on top of video surveillance. What we do, we enable the analytics into the video surveillance. And how we do it, we analyze the entire video. We track the object. So each of the object, like this, a small object or small thumbnail, you can see a woman riding a bicycle, which is she wearing the top white color and bottom black color, and she's traveling to south at 10 miles per hour, which is we analyze and we gather or we collect all the metadata. So in the future, you can search based on all this filter. So if you see the location of this woman riding a bicycle at the right side here. So she's traveling from north to the south. Then how we do it, we analyze the entire each frame of the video. We track the object. So after we track the object, we extract the metadata. And after we extract the metadata, we classify it, the object, which is the man, woman, bicycle, cars, and so on, included the colors of the object. Then after that, we after we classify, we catalog it, or we keep it in the database, so you can use it to search, and the same data you can use to generate the dashboard for the research. So video synopsis. What is video synopsis? The easiest way to understand about video synopsis is to make your playback or search of the object much faster. For instance, you have an original video 30 minutes. If typically what you need to do, you need to play entire video for 30 minutes to search for something. But with the video synopsis, we compress all the object into the short video footage. We call it video synopsis. And you can see the entire object that entering to these scenes in 53 seconds. So video synosis is invented by us and patented by BriefCam. So this is one of the tools for your post investigation or accelerate and make your work more efficient rather than you play the entire video. So that's I said we compress all the objects, which is an event from different time, and we present it simultaneously in one short video synopsis. So then after we compile all the metadata, so you can filter based on the object classification and object attribute. For instance, you want to search a woman in this scenes wearing the blue color. What you can do, just add the filter of woman and wearing the top blue. Then what system will do? System will show all the object that comply with this filter. And same happen to the right video, where you filter based on the object of bikes and traveling to the south. So where you can filter it and you only can see the object, which is the bicycle traveling to the south. So it will make your, I can say, investigation more efficient rather than you play the entire full recorded video. So online, yeah, I will do later the online demo, review and research. Okay, I'm not sure what is your vertical, business vertical, but I will maybe show several demonstration. But if you want to have some specific demo that you want to see based on your business vertical, you can type in the chat, then I can show you later. So I will present it later, the demonstration. But before I go to the presentation of demos, sorry, I go to the demonstration, I will show you what we're going to release very soon. So I think we will release this, not thing, it's confirmed, we will release the new version of our system, come with the new features by the name is what we call object classify, where you can create your own classification based on your needs. For instance, here, if you can see the left picture is a yellow car. Typically, it's yellow car, but you can create it. It's become like costume classified, where this object you can tag it as a New York taxi. So there's a new class you can create where will accelerate your investigation. For instance, we can take one example, maybe in the ports. You are interested to analyze the trucks with a certain color, you can create your own classification. Then you can ask the system or train the system. System will recognize it as one of the new class. Then you can use it for all the module, which is you can use it for the review, which is you can filter based on the costume classified. You can enable as a response, real-time alert, and you can make it a dashboard in the BI data where you can filter at a certain what we call special class in your dashboard. So not only for object class, you also can use for the person, where if I can say the retail shop, normally the staff will wearing the same uniform, maybe in the hospital as well. So you can create the special or costume classified to filter the certain category of person, where you can ask the system to train, and the system will recognize it. Let's say doctors, maybe retail shop staff. From there, you can filter in or filter out all this special class for your investigation. So yeah, before I go to presentation demonstration, you can what we call ask me anything that you want to know based on the presentation slide. And while I'm doing the demonstration, you also can ask me or tell me what you want to see from the demonstration, because for our product, the best is demonstration, it's not presentation. We can talk hours, but the most important thing, we should prove to you that the system work, right? So without further ado, I will change my screen and to share my screen and show the demo system. So I shared my screen. Alex, can you confirm you can see my screen now?
Yes, yes, we can all see your screen. Go
Good.
ahead. Thank you.
Okay, we are the web-based system. We have a strong servers running behind. We have the good engine. So what I will do, I will turn off my camera first because my second screen will be here. It's not nice to see from my side. So let me turn off my camera. So this is after you log in, you can see this is the main page of the BriefCam. We will start with the review. So what is review? If you remember just now when before start we show the marketing video, we call it, we can do a three main thing, which is a searchable. You can search something. You can actionable, where can you get action for something real time. And the third thing is quantifiable, which is you can calculate anything or something. Okay, first what we do is a review. Review is to accelerate your investigation. Okay, I have many cases that are created here from different customer, different category of business. But what I will do first, I will start with the one video. I take one of the case that created earlier. In this case, I have a 3 video inside the case. Okay, 2 outdoor cameras, 1 indoor cameras. I will take one of the video. Let's say I take this video. I want to play the synopsis. This video is 1 hour video. We process 1 hour video. But when you play the synopsis, it will compress the video to become like only several minutes, only 6 minutes. Which is instead playing 1 hour video with the synopsis, you just play 6 minutes. You get all the object that captured by this camera in the compressed video synopsis video. But that's not, it will help you a bit, which is to accelerate your investigation by 10 times faster. How about you say, okay, no, I have a specific thing to search now. Okay, what I want to analyze is I want to know how many trucks traveling from north to south. That's it. What I want to know. So what you can do straight away, you can stop the video synopsis. You apply what we call scene filter. Click the scene filter and say, okay, I was just interested to see the truck traveling from north to south. Then this is a cross line. Any truck that cross this cross line, it will be counted. Then you click apply. Immediately you get the answer, which is 1,198 vehicles. We not yet applied the truck filter, which is 1,198 vehicle cross this line. But I'm only interested on trucks. What I will do, I will apply another class, which is say I'm interested to see the trucks. I click apply. So system will search the metadata and give you the result, which is 98 truck cross to this line, which is traveling from south to north. It will take you like less than 1 minute to get the answer. And on top of that, you can play the video synopsis. Then you only, if you want to play the entire video synopsis, only take you about 4 minutes, because you already filter out other object that not interest you, because in this case you only interest to see trucks. Or maybe we can try another thing. Maybe say, no, now I want to change my filter from trucks. I want to see the bus. Okay, and the bus is green color. So okay, go ahead, color of green. So you click apply. So automatically you get the result, 5 green color bus traveling from south to north. So automatically the video synopsis will play for you. So if you want to play this entire video synopsis, only take you 2 minutes, and you have a focus object here, which is the green color bus traveling from north to south. This is how our system can assist or accelerate your investigation and make the security people work more efficient rather than they need to play the entire 1 hour video. Just want to search for theft unit bus with green color traveling from north to south. This is one of the example. So maybe we go to the next case. Maybe I have another scenario, which is I want to go to the same case. Okay, I take another video. This is a 1 hour video as well, but I have one simple thing. I want to know, here is an illegal U-turn area where nobody allowed to make a U-turn here, and I want to know if anybody make an illegal U-turn here. So typically what you need to do, you need to play the entire video. That's a normal with all the surveillance system. What I can do here to make things much easier for me, I stop this one, I apply the path. So what I do, I said I draw the path, which is the car make an illegal U-turn here, any vehicle. Okay, maybe I said I make it a bit loose, low, because my drawing is not so nice. Apply, no matching object. I need to draw again, sorry. So this one must make sure you draw the path correctly. Apply. Okay, better. So there are 5 vehicles make a illegal U-turn. Automatically, the video synopsis will play all the 5 vehicles that make a illegal U-turn here. So if you want to see the full image of this vehicle or real or original video, you can click on any of vehicle, let's say the red color car. You click, then you can play the original video. This is the original video that we processed from the VMS or the recorded video file. Okay, so how fast? Very fast is compared to conventional system where you need to play the entire video. Like this one, you just apply the filter that relevant to your needs or your investigation, then you can get the result instantly. So the next what we do, I will maybe touch a bit on the retail shop where people have retail shop everywhere. So let's say we have this case, we created this case, we processed the video because what happened, what we found, one of our goods been stolen from this shop where they're located in this shelf. Okay, so somebody stole a bottle of wine here. Okay, instead of playing the entire video, what I will do, I can use another filter, we call it area filter. So I click the area filter, I will ask my system to search if anybody come and pick this bottle of wine. Click apply. So there are 20 people pass through to this area. Now I play the video synopsis, then this is the object, the wine, then boom, I get the result. This is the criminals who took a bottle of wine without paying us. So it will make things, make the investigation of the recorded video way much faster compared to the conventional system. So last but not least, but because nowadays people very interested on the face recognition, I'm not sure about the Hong Kong. Either you allowed to do the face recognition. Alex, in Hong Kong, is allowed to do so for the face recognition.
Under some strict measure, we can implement.
Okay, but that's okay. Let me show you a sample where we can find somebody from multiple camera where he goes. Let me take the last what we call a demonstration for the review, which is I call it face tracing. So we process 7 videos from 7 different locations. So in this video, what I want to do, I want to search certain person that been recognized. Okay, what I can do first, I change all the video to focus on the face, show faces. This is all the faces that captured by all the videos. So then maybe the security person said, yes, I remember this is the guy. Okay, so what you can do, you can go to the face recognition. Okay, you can add him, okay, or I can take another guy, this guy. You can go to the face recognition, you can add him. Then what will show here in the face recognition, I can say the watch list of this guy. I click, then I click apply. What system will do? System will filter only this guy face that appear in all the cameras. Okay, when I play the video, you can see it's come from different location. Just from outside. Maybe another video when I play is from the other camera. So another walkway. This the video he wearing mask. Maybe he was in the mall. Oh no, it's not in the mall. So by doing this, you can see the time frame, and every time when you click the thumbnail of the video, it gives you the video name, where is the location of the video. Then the incident happened, you can see from the at bottom of each thumbnail. So from here, you can see this guy appeared in all the 7 videos between 4:15 to 4:20, where he was in this compound area within this 4:15 to 4:20. So this is a very fast way to search somebody that not in the watch list. There's another way you can do for the face recognition. If you know somebody that you already recognize, you can add his image into our what we call in the watch list. You can upload the identity. If you have a photo, then you can filter based on the photo that you uploaded to the system. Okay. So if you have any question about review, you can ask me later or type in the chat. What I will do next, I will go to the next module. We call it Respond. So basically, Respond is a real-time alert. To get a real-time alert based on rules that you created. Typically, you can create the Respond based on the face recognition. You can do the what we call alerts based on the license plate. So if you have a certain license plate, you can key in the system. If this vehicle entering to the certain area, when we can read it, then we can give a real-time alert to you. And the last thing we can always do with what we call Respond, which is we can count people. Okay, this is one for retails, for airports, for train station, where we can count people in the certain area. Let's say in the queuing area, if the number of people exceeded the number that you key in, for instance, more than 6, it will trigger an event. Like this case, more than 6, which is 9 people in this area, system will send a real-time response or real-time alert to you, to the operator. So I will not go detail on this because I don't have live video feed now from our HQ because it's a cloud demo. So straight away, I will go to the last module, what we call the research. What is research? Research, I can say everybody now talking about come to you and say, oh, we have dashboard. What kind of dashboard they're offering? Okay, is for us, the research is the BI data, the business intelligence data. So the data that we collected from the object that we captured in the video. So from the objects that you captured in the video, we recognize it, then we can generate the dashboard. What you see here is the retail trend, which is we generate a dashboard based on the retail trends. Okay, we can split based on the visitor class, men, women, kids. Then average visitor count. Then we split by area. Okay, bags, entrance, high heel, and so on by the area. From here, you can analyze, okay, from this chart, you can see many customers went to the bags area and second is the purse area. So you also can count, accumulate the number of visitors entering to this area, where in the 3 hours, you can see from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., this is a trend. Then average duration, how long they spend in this area. So child, man, and woman is split based on the visitor class. So you can have the overview, the entire overview, which is you can get average visit time versus the visitor. So what you can see here, most of the customers spend a lot of time in sender. Okay, the longest time they spent was in the sender, but many customers went to purse and the back, which is steady to this one. But they didn't spend much time here in the purse and bags. One thing that I would like to mention here is about our dashboard. Our dashboard is not static. Most of the peoples or vendors offer you the static dashboard where what you see is what you get. For us, it's dynamic dashboard. Like this case now, you say, okay, I'm only interested to analyze women that entering to my premise. Only women. I don't want to know about men because we want to tackle women, for instance, to attract more women customer into our retail shop. So what I can do, I just click woman here. I click yes. So what system will show? The dashboard will change, only show you the women's and the area of visit, all is women. Okay, you can analyze based on the category of women. From here, you can see that women like to go to the bags, purse, and shoes area. And they spend the longest time in the sender area, the green color. So from here, you straight away can analyze the behavior of your customer based on the count, numbers of count. And on top of that, you also can analyze the behavior of your customer based on the path, which path they like to take in your premise. You can see the red color is the highest one. They like to just walk at this right side and the bottom side here. Meanwhile, very less customer walk at the center here. So from here, you also have the information that you need to do something to attract more people to come to the center area here. So last but not least, from this dashboard, so you can analyze of the each product, what product that most liked by your customer, because based on the background changes, it will show like this shelf, they are shoes shelf, which shoes most liked by your customer, because based on the background changes, you can see these shoes and these shoes here most liked by your customer, because customer pick this product many times, which is maybe the design is nice or that is good price. From the background changes, you also can analyze the what we call what product most liked by your customer. So last but not least, I will go to the one of the analysis I can say in the retails, where we can integrate our metadata with the external data, which is we can do the shopper analysis. So we can integrate from the data that feeded by a point of sale system. We can integrate to our dashboard. From here, you can see the sales versus customer number. Simple, because from here you can see the customer number. You have the highest customer number between 1 to 2 p.m. but the time of 1 p.m. also the highest sales, and meanwhile after 2, very less customer. From here, automatically you know how to arrange your staff, where your staff should have more numbers of staff between 9 to 2 p.m. and then after 2 p.m. should be less staff. So from here you can manage, and from here when we integrate the point of sale data here, you can analyze. Oh, from here I can see that I have higher sales during the lunch hour, 1 to 2 p.m. and around 4 p.m. From here, exactly you can, as a retail customer, they can count their what we call P&L based on the number of employee here. Okay, like this case, you can see 1 p.m. they only have 25 employee, but after 5 days they have 27 employee, but actually the number of customer very low. They should arrange the employee more at the earlier time to serve more customer that entering to their retail shop. This is one of the integration that we can do with the external data that we get from the point of sale. So we have more things to do. We have many preset dashboard for different verticals, but we don't have enough time to talk each of it. But I think I hope each of you has ideas, has information how our BriefCam can assist your business needs and make things more efficient for you, not only for security. Security like to use a review and respond, but on top of that, for the management, the facilities management, the mall managers can have a better overview from the dashboard. So if you have any question, you can ask now or later. Then thank you for your time.
Yep.
Thanks, Alex,
Okay.
for the arrangement of the solution.
So yeah, I think you can start looking at the Q&A corner and also the webinar chat for some question. But before answering any of the question, I will give some advertisement first. Okay, hold on. So thanks a lot, all guests. We are closing the presentation and demonstration session and going into the Q&A session. Though before starting the Q&A session, I want to remind everybody to come back on next Tuesday. Actually, we are having milestone next week, and also we have Agile Core and Velocity as the session 3 and 4 focus. Okay, so looking forward to see you all back. Okay, so firstly, let's start the Q&A session. So yeah. Should we start with the first question from Wendy in the chat room? She is asking how quick can BriefCam search for a target. So what's the speed depends on?
If you see just now how fast the speed, that's why I'm showing in the demo. The
so Fasti, feel free to start share your screen to facilitate your answer.
Yeah, okay. Sure. How fast? Let's see how fast. The result is depend on the data. Okay, for sure, the more data will take a bit longer. But what I can say is instantly, because the data already processed and we keep in the dashboard. So let me share my screen. So what you want to see, for instance, I want to use the same video here. Let's say I want to analyze in this video how fast the result. Let's say I want to search only based on one class, a car. I click apply. So you see here, you see the result will be appear here. So let me, let me reset this filter first. Okay. So maybe we do it other way, because we say, okay, we want to know the car.
Sorry, Fastly. We can't see your screen yet.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I left. Okay, sorry. Okay, I forgot to click one last button to share. Okay, you can see my screen now.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
We can now.
Yes.
Sorry, just now. Okay, so I go again. The same case, easier, because you also saw this video just now. Okay, I take this video. So let's say your target now want to count how many car crossing to this lane or this line. I can use the area. Maybe I don't want to use the crossing line. I want to use the area another way to count the car. I click apply. So automatically, what system we do, first thing we give you the result 715. This is how fast the result. But I'm yet to apply the car filter. So I can apply only, I'm only interested on car. So I just click car, I click apply. So instantly you get the result 424. It's very fast. Okay, to get the numbers of result very fast, then to see the entire, what we call the entire scene, you can play the video synopsis, or you can see the thumbnail. So this is the cars that captured, entered to that marked area just now. Okay, could we answer you?
Yeah.
So the next question will be, can you read the question for me, Alex? Because
sure.
When
okay.
I share the screen, the chat box.
All right. So the second question is from Leo. He's asking about, is there any application used in railway? in railway situation. For example, can we capture some vision for real-time analysis in a train? So do you have any successful case in railway? And if yes, what's the typical application?
Railway, I need to check because I'm not the sales.
Okay, so don't
Okay,
worry. We will put some information like case study to Leo afterward. Okay.
Yeah.
So the first question is from Kara,
Okay.
Koo. So she is asking about the compatibility of your solution to cameras. Okay. So she's asking about any brand of camera that can be used with your software.
Not camera. Basically, you must understand how we work. We work with the VMS.
Okay, so as long as the camera is compatible with milestone, then BriefCam support it.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
So another question from Charles. So can we do the video structuring to get the car's brand and model, make and model information?
Make a model, currently we don't have MMC, make model color analytic, but roughly I can tell you that we are working on that, on the MMC, because I saw in our product pipeline or forecast, but we are yet to confirm when we release the MMC for one of our features, but yeah, we plan for it.
Okay, but at this stage, you only do video classification with video class. Yeah, so it's correct. Kind of the size of the vehicle.
No, correct.
Okay, understand. So another question from Gilbert Jen. She is asking, can BriefCam detect theft and pickpockets in the crowd?
In the crowd, no. It's
okay.
I can say it's very difficult.
Yeah, okay. Sorry, Gabriel. BriefCam may not be a good solution. So for this application. So another question from Danny. He's asking about, is there any suggestion for the video resolution for different applications? So do you need different resolution when you are applying BriefCam in different application? For example, traffic control or software analysis. So what's the required resolution?
No, we're talking about the video resolution. We can work as low as VGA 640, 480 resolution up to multi-megapixel, no issue. Because for us to recognize the class, we only need about 32 times 12 pixel of the object. And for vehicle subclass is about, I can say four-wheel vehicle 40 by 20 pixel. It's very small.
So, yeah, so firstly, I think in terms of resolution, BriefCam is one of the best solution on the market. You are not demanding on resolution, though still like other video analytics solution, we need some specific viewing angle. Though not demanding, but we have some guideline on those, right?
Yeah, we have the white paper, especially for the special application for license plate recognition, especially license plate recognition you need to have, but we are not so rigid. Let's say I show you one of the video of license plate recognition, where you can see how wide the angle here. How wide the angle here is like a 2-lane, but we can recognize the license plate of each vehicle that pass through this what we call this road. Okay. So I can enable my license plate recognition. So I show plate. This is all the plate that recognized by our system. We don't have like certain application where they ask you, the car must move very slow, the license plate must be very big. This is a real case where we install a camera, we don't control the speed of vehicles, and we don't ask the customer to really focus to the license plate. What we get here is we get the entire vehicles, and we can read the license plate.
Yeah, that's impressive. As I say, BriefCam is one of the video analytics solution that demand quite low resolution.
Yeah.
So you are not like demanding a lot of resolution before delivering visible result.
Yeah. So as I think market know that we are leading in the analytic in while, because most analytic they will ask you the control environment. They will ask you to provide the control environment to get a good result. For us, we've been known analytic in while, which is we don't dictate you very precise on what we need, but we can detect or we can give the result in a while, which is you can use existing camera, existing angle, and so on. Thank you.
Okay, so Fasi, one more question. Though actually, for Danny, my team will send through some of the white paper about the viewing angle and the resolution requirement to you after the meeting. Okay, thanks, Danny. So another question is from Catherine Wong. She's asking about if their technician want to apply for certification of BriefCam, how to achieve that?
We provide, I can say quarterly, we have what we call certification, the training certification. Okay. The cost, I can confirm the cost is more to the sales people. If I'm not mistaken, it's about $1,200 per pack, where we take about 4 days. Each day will be half day. Every day 4 days. Every day 4 hours time 4 days for the certification.
Okay, so I will follow up with Catherine after this show. Okay, thanks. And then another question from Henry. So he is asking about, so I think he is referring to one of your demonstrations showing some U-turn path. Okay, he is asking about if the U-turn path is bigger or further ahead or further back, can it be recognized?
Okay, this video, I can show you again. If you further up like this, because if you do like this,
so if you like select the accuracy to medium, low, and high, so it will help.
It will help, correct.
Okay.
So if you put high, that means the vehicle must exactly follow the line. But if you lose or low, roughly any object that make the same movement like this will detect as a U-turn.
Okay. Yeah, so that's quite a powerful threshold to adjust. And of course, we can actually redraw the U-turn path anytime, easily.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So hopefully we have answered fully to Henry's question. So yet another question from Ben. Okay. So Ben is asking about our face recognition. So for the face recognition, is the system good in identifying pets? Okay, cats and dog. Okay, so or rats. Okay, so if a rat is happening in a kitchen or something, can our software detect it?
Vets, you mean the animals?
Rat, R-A-T.
Oh, rodent. No, rodent. No.
So is your algorithm friendly to pets?
No.
Cats and
for us, even for animals, we just have one animals. We don't have a specific animal.
Okay, so for the classification, that's only single animal. Okay, we don't differentiate among animal.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so Ben, though it is not a really 100% suitable solution for you, but hopefully we have answered your question fully. Yeah. Okay, so another question from Leo. Actually, I think we have answered Leo's question about the very application. We will follow up on that.
Okay, good.
Okay, and then I think this is one of the last question. So it's from Mr. So. How many parameters can be chosen at the same time for a car search? So how many attributes we can pick, like the car type, path, or speed, that we can mix it up in a single filter?
You can choose all.
So any combination, no limitation, right?
No limitation, correct.
Okay, that's impressive. Okay.
Yeah, we don't dictate you or limit you, but the thing is either you can get the result or not. That's for sure. No.
Okay,
right.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that's really hot discussion in the Q&A corner. So, and I think Fasi, thanks a lot for your support. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes, see if there's any other question coming up from the floor. Okay.
Okay.
On. So one question from Peter. Okay. Peter is asking about how would dark environment affect your software?
The environment, what kind of environment?
Okay. day and night or bright and dark. So
dark. Okay. Because what I think this is the quite tricky, because if you have a day and night camera, which is when the camera change to black and white at night time. Okay, if we, for sure, one thing that we cannot classify is the color. That's for sure, because it become black and white. So, but if the object is clear, we can recognize it. We still can recognize it, but as a class, either car, man, woman, or any kind of vehicles, the only thing we cannot do is the color, because when the camera change from color black and white, for sure it's just a gray color. That's number one. That's why for now, if you realize, a lot of camera manufacturer now, they're offering the low light camera, where it's still produced in color for the if it's captured in low light illumination or low lux. So that will help us to give you better recognition.
Yeah, and also Peter, if you're interested, we will send you some white paper regarding it. So how to pan your camera properly to deliver a good video structuring project. I will follow up with you after the show.
Good.
好啦，各位，我估我哋坐多個分零鐘啦，等等大家有啲咩問題，咁樣即管繼續發問啦。咁樣然後咧，我哋 marketing 同事咧就擺咗條 link 啲 Google Form 咧喺個 chat room 嗰度嘅，咁樣希望大家啦臨走多一篤入去填下啲 feedback， 支持下我哋marketing and sales 團隊嘅工作啊，俾啲 feedback 佢哋，咁樣係啦，嘥你哋1-2分鐘時間嚇，等我哋知道你哋覺得呢個 webinar 呢個 format 會有咩改進地方。OK， 唔該晒。
Thank you， 拜拜。
OK。So Fasi, I think we have no more question from the floor. So thanks a lot for your support, and looking forward to see you in Singapore or when you are in Hong Kong. Okay?
For sure, I will plan for it. Thank you. Bye.
Sure. OK. 好啦，各位唔該晒啦，下個星期二見。OK. Thanks Fasi. OK. Thanks SQX team. OK. Bye bye.